Poisonous garden plants you should avoid. Have you ever wondered which seemingly innocent plants lurking in your backyard could actually pose a threat to your health? Join Life Balance Guru as we uncover the top poisonous garden plants you should avoid at all costs. Number 10. Oleander. Nerium oleander. Oleander is a popular ornamental shrub known for its beautiful flowers that come in various colors, including white, pink, and red. Despite its attractiveness, all parts of the oleander plant are highly toxic. Ingesting even a small amount can cause severe gastrointestinal, cardiac, and neurological symptoms. Symptoms of oleander poisoning include nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, irregular heartbeats, and in severe cases, death. Handling the plant can also cause skin irritation. Number 9. Foxglove, Digitalis purpurea. Foxglove is a striking biennial plant known for its tall spikes of tubular flowers in shades of purple, pink, and white. It contains cardiac glycosides, compounds used medically to treat heart conditions, but highly toxic when ingested inappropriately. Symptoms of foxglove poisoning include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal pain, confusion, and potentially fatal heart arrhythmias. Number 8. Castor bean. Ricinus communis. The castor bean plant is grown for its striking foliage and seeds, which are used to produce castor oil. However, the seeds contain ricin, one of the most potent toxins known. Ingestion of even one seed can cause severe abdominal pain, vomiting, diarrhea, and potentially fatal organ failure. The plant's attractive appearance makes it particularly dangerous for children and pets. Number 7. Lily of the Valley, Convallaria majalis. Lily of the Valley is a charming perennial with delicate, bell-shaped white flowers. It contains cardiac glycosides similar to those found in foxglove. All parts of the plant are toxic, including the red berries that form in the fall. Symptoms of poisoning include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal pain, confusion, and irregular heart rhythms. Number 6. Rhododendron and azalea, Rhododendron spp. These popular garden shrubs are prized for their vibrant flowers and evergreen foliage. However, all parts of the plants, especially the leaves, contain granotoxins, which can cause severe poisoning. Symptoms include nausea, vomiting, drooling, lethargy, and in severe cases, coma or death. Honey made from the nectar of these flowers, known as mad honey, can also cause poisoning. Number 5. Daffodil, Narcissus spp. Daffodils are beloved springtime bulbs with bright yellow or white flowers. However, the bulbs contain licorine, a toxic alkaloid. Ingesting daffodil bulbs can cause nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and abdominal pain. Severe cases may lead to convulsions, low blood pressure, and cardiac issues. Handling the bulbs can also cause skin irritation. Number 4. Deadly nightshade, Atropa belladonna. Also known as belladonna, deadly nightshade is notorious for its dark, glossy berries and toxic properties. All parts of the plant contain tropane alkaloids, which can cause hallucinations, delirium, and death. Symptoms of poisoning include dilated pupils, sensitivity to light, blurred vision, tachycardia, loss of balance, staggering, headache, rash, dry mouth, and difficulty swallowing and speaking. Number 3. Monkshood, Aconitum spp. Monkshood, also known as wolfsbane, is a tall perennial with striking blue, purple, or white flowers. The plant contains aconitine, a potent toxin that can cause severe cardiovascular and neurological symptoms. Ingestion can lead to nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, convulsions, and paralysis. Even handling the plant without gloves can result in numbness and tingling. Number 2. Yew, Taxus spp. Yew trees and shrubs are common in gardens and landscapes due to their attractive evergreen foliage and red berries. However, all parts of the plant, except for the flesh of the berries, contain taxine alkaloids, which are highly toxic. Ingesting yew can cause severe nausea, vomiting, dizziness, difficulty breathing, and potentially fatal cardiac arrhythmias. Number 1. Hemlock, Conium maculatum. Hemlock is a tall biennial plant with small white flowers arranged in umbrella-shaped clusters. It is extremely toxic due to its alkaloid content, particularly coneine. Ingestion of even small amounts can cause severe respiratory distress, paralysis, and death. Symptoms of hemlock poisoning include trembling, salivation, pupil dilation, muscle pain, and progressive paralysis, leading to respiratory failure. As we wrap up our exploration of poisonous garden plants, remember that knowledge is your best defense against potential dangers in your backyard oasis. If you found this video informative and eye-opening, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our future content.